Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be making beans and plantain porridge. Yeah, over here are my ingredients, so I'm going to be adding more, introducing more later. So first of all, what I have here, I have 3 of my green plantain. This is my prawns, this is the head, so I'm going to be blending this with my tomatoes over there. And over here I have my parboiled beans, so I'm going to be using it. And over here I have some few dried prawns and the dried fish, so I'm going to be deboning it and be adding it into it. So guys, we are going to start by peeling our plantain. So this plantain have been thoroughly washed, so I'm just going to take going to allow it to simmer for some minutes before adding my red palm oil to it. So inviting, so yummy and inviting. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to be adding my red palm oil to it. Guys, in the next 5 minutes, it will be ready. Yeah, it looks so yummy and tasty. You guys need to be here to perfume this, this wonderful, aroma with me. The aroma of the crayfish is just too much here in my kitchen. Yeah, in the next 5 minutes, it's done. Our porridge is ready, guys. So I'm going to be dishing it as, so this is what we are having for dinner. If you know you are hungry and you live very close, let's come and work it together. I also want to use this opportunity to thank as many of you that are supporting me. Say may the good Lord bless you all. Yeah, that is it. Don't forget to like, share, and the good Lord will bless you. See you all on my next video, guys. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed. Bye.